Hey there, Christopher Thunder here. My fridge seems to be leaking. So I'm down here on the floor, and we've got water here. But when I turn on my torch, there doesn't seem to be water underneath the fridge. None in the tray, and none back underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry my hands real quick on my pants, okay? Then I'm going to run my hand along the door. What I noticed was there seems to be a wet spot on the bottom of the door. And I'm wondering if that's what's leaking. That's what's causing the problem. Maybe ice getting stuck in the chute and then running down here. Okay, so the ice melts and runs down here, and this plastic kind of gets in the way too. And it's just coming out of the crack underneath. So the next thing to do is to check the ice maker. Let's see what's going on there. But this happens too randomly to be, well, there doesn't seem to be anything in the chute. So the chute's not wet. Okay. Yeah, there's a little condensation, but the chute's not wet. I am wondering what's going on behind this door here. So maybe I can remove the seal and panel and get to this from behind and see if there's a leak where the water dispenser valve is, and see if that's what's leaking all over the floor here, because this happens once every couple of weeks.